Have you ever wondered what Google Bard is and how to use it? Well, let's delve into this technological marvel together. Google Bard is a cutting-edge tool, a product of the relentless pursuit of innovation by Google. It's powered by artificial intelligence, making it more than just a tool. It's your AI companion for all things creative. Imagine having a personal assistant, but this one doesn't just manage your calendar or send emails, it helps you create. From writing to designing, Google Bard has got you covered. It learns from you, adapts to your style, and aids you in producing your best work. Whether you're a professional writer looking for a digital companion, a student seeking assistance with a school project, or a hobbyist exploring your creative side, Google Bard is here to make the process more seamless and enjoyable. So, are you ready to transform your creative journey? Stay tuned to learn how to navigate this fascinating tool. So, how do you get started with Google Bard? Well, it's quite a straightforward process. First things first, you'll need to sign up for a Google account if you don't already have one. This will give you access to all of Google's services, including Google Bard. Go to the Google homepage, click on Sign In at the top right corner, then Create Account. Follow the instructions, providing the necessary information such as your name, preferred email address and password. Once you have your Google account set up, the next step is to navigate to the Google Bard website. You can easily find it by typing Google Bard into the search bar and clicking on the first result that pops up. Now you're on the Google Bard homepage. To get started, click on the Get Started button, usually located in the middle of the page. This will guide you through the process of setting up Google Bard for the first time. The setup process involves downloading the necessary software. Click on Download Now, and the download should start automatically. After the software is downloaded, locate the file on your computer and double-click to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the terms and conditions and choosing your preferred settings. Once the installation is complete, you're almost ready to go. The final step is to sign into the Google Bard software using your Google account. This will sync your account with the software, allowing you to access your work from any device. And here's a pro tip. Make sure to check for updates regularly. Google Bard is a dynamic platform that's constantly evolving, so it's important to keep your software up to date to benefit from the latest features and improvements. And there you have it. You're now ready to dive into the world of Google Bard. It's a journey that promises to be both exciting and enlightening, full of endless possibilities. Stay tuned for the next segment where we'll dive deeper into how Google Bard works. Now that you're all set up, you're probably wondering, how does Google Bard work? Well, the magic behind Google Bard lies in its innovative use of artificial intelligence. This AI technology is what fuels its ability to generate unique and creative melodies. But how does it do that? Let's dive in. At its core, Google Bard utilizes a type of AI called machine learning. Specifically, it uses a subset of machine learning known as deep learning. This involves training a neural network with a vast amount of data, in this case music. Over time, the AI system learns to recognize patterns and structures in the music it's fed. Once it's learned enough, it can begin to generate its own original compositions. Now, you might be thinking, sure, that's impressive, but how do I interact with it? Well, that's where things get even more interesting. Google Bard is designed to be incredibly user-friendly. It provides a simple interface where you can input your own musical ideas. You can do this by either playing a melody on a virtual keyboard or inputting musical notation. Once you've done this, Google Bard takes your idea and runs with it, creating a full composition based on your initial input. It's worth noting that Google Bard isn't just a one-way street. It's designed to be an interactive tool, a collaborative partner in your creative process. You're not just inputting data and receiving a final product. You can provide feedback, tweak the output, and guide the AI as it creates, making the final composition truly your own. So, in essence, Google Bard combines the power of artificial intelligence with the creative input of its users. It uses deep learning to understand music and generate original compositions, and it allows users to guide this process, creating a unique blend of human creativity and AI capability. With this understanding, you're well on your way to creating your own AI-generated music. All right, now let's get down to the fun part. Using Google Bard. Google Bard is a tool that allows you to create AI-generated music. It's like having your own personal orchestra, except it's all in the cloud. Now let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Google Bard website. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard. This is your creative space, your canvas, if you will. You can select different parameters here, such as the tempo, key, and style of music you want to generate. To choose the tempo, simply navigate to the tempo section and select a speed. You can go for a slow, soothing melody or a fast-paced, energetic beat. It's all up to you and what you're feeling at the moment. Next, select the key of your music. If you're a seasoned musician, you might already have a key in mind. But if you're new to this, don't worry. You can experiment with different keys and see which one resonates with you. Now, it's time to choose your style. Google Bard offers a wide range of music styles, from classical to jazz, pop, and many more. This is where you can really let your creativity run wild. Once you're satisfied with your choices, hit the Generate button. Google Bard will then work its magic, and within a few moments, you'll have a unique piece of AI-generated music. But we're not done yet. You can choose to refine your creation by editing different parts of the music. Feel free to tweak and modify until you're happy with the result. Finally, when you're ready, you can save your masterpiece and export it in your preferred format. You can then share your AI-generated music with the world or keep it for your own enjoyment. With these steps, you can start creating your own AI-generated music in no time. Like any tool, Google Bard comes with its own set of pros and cons. Let's delve into the fascinating advantages of this innovative tool first. One of Google Bard's biggest strengths is its ease of use. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing even the least tech-savvy among us to create, edit and share documents with minimal hassle. This simplicity, combined with its robust features, makes it a go-to tool for many. Another major advantage of Google Bard is its unique artificial intelligence technology. This AI isn't just about fetching data, it's about understanding and interpreting it. Google Bard uses this advanced AI to provide insightful suggestions, helping to enhance your writing style and content. It's like having your own personal assistant, one that's available round the clock and never tires. Moreover, Google Bard is a cloud-based tool, meaning you can access your documents from anywhere at any time. Whether you're on your morning commute or halfway across the world, your work is just a few clicks away. Now, let's pivot to some of the disadvantages. While Google Bard is indeed powerful, it is not without its limitations. One of the main challenges is its reliance on an internet connection. Without a stable connection, Google Bard's functionality can be significantly impaired, making it less reliable in areas with poor internet connectivity. Additionally, while the AI technology is impressive, it's not perfect. Sometimes the suggestions provided may not align with your unique writing style or the specific context of your document. This means that while Google Bard can be a great assistant, it should not replace a human editor. Lastly, privacy could be a concern for some users. As a cloud-based tool, all data is stored on Google's servers. While Google assures high levels of data security, the fact that your information is stored remotely may not sit well with everyone. By understanding these, you can make the most of Google Bard and navigate any challenges that come your way. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Google Bard. We began our journey by introducing this innovative tool, which is much more than a simple writing aid. It's your personal AI-powered writing assistant, ready to help you create, edit, and refine your content. Next, we dove into the setup process, showing you how easy it is to get Google Bard up and running. Then we explored the inner workings of this tool, examining how it uses artificial intelligence to generate creative and coherent text. We also discussed how to use Google Bard to its fullest potential, demonstrating its many applications and uses. Finally, we weighed the advantages and disadvantages, acknowledging that while Google Bard is a powerful tool, it's not without its shortcomings. But remember, it's all about how you use it. Now go forth, explore, and let your creativity flow with Google Bard.